Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, welcome to Learn Skills channel. Friends, if you are new visitor on my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive my videos notification. Firstly, friends, today we start a series of plans, ground plans and AutoCAD course. In this course, I completely make plans, ground plans यानी कि ground floor plans and front elevation, side elevations, back elevations, roof, and make the plan in 3D. So please connect with us, join with us, support with us. So let's friend, we start the AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD. I use AutoCAD because my laptop is supported this type of software. If you wanna like to use new version of AutoCAD like 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, then you should need a best laptops for running that software. So I off the grid and on the ortho first, and these options I on this, and refresh your laptop by pressing escape button, and now press UNITS and select your country. Length system, I select engineering in Pakistan, and degree minute seconds, and press OK, and press D, enter, and go to modify primary units, select engineering and degree minute seconds, and the text I make them 20, and OK, set current, close. Now friends, go to view and go to display UCS icon of the origin. Now friends, we select our country units. If you are in USA and other countries, then you will select centimeter units. I will select foot pound system units. So now friends, today we make a plan of house which I will discuss in my title and my description. I had make a complete ground floor plan for my client. So today I will teach you a complete floor plan as I before make it. So first take a rectangle, REC, enter, press D, and specify the length 120 feet, enter, 80 feet, enter, Z space E space, and offset inside 9 inch, exclude it. Now offset 45 inch from this wall, and offset 9 inch, offset 11 feet 9 inch from this wall, and offset 9 inch, offset 6 feet from inside this wall, and offset 9 inch, and now offset 16 feet and offset 9, and offset 14 feet, offset 9 feet. Now press it. Now friends, remove the unusual walls and trim these lines. These are the unusual lines. Now friends, we make another room, offset 14 feet 3 inch and offset 9, offset 14, sorry, after 16 feet, offset 9 feet 9 inch, and offset 14 feet, offset 9 inch. Trim that. And delete, select and delete these lines. Now friends, we make another room, and to make another room I will just only offset 14 feet and offset 9 inch, and I select this mirror, no, I just mirror this line and offset 9 inch, fillet that also that, and now also extend these lines, select a line, extend these lines, EX, double enter, and EX first, select this line, now press and trim. Now friends, now I offset 16 feet from top to bottom of the 9 inch, offset 6 feet, and fillet offset 9 inch, as this line makes that. Okay, so right, press this fillet trim fillet trim that. Now friends, these are I complete. Now I make this plan. Offset 5 feet, offset 5 feet, sorry, offset 5 feet, offset 9 inch, 9 inch, trim, now offset 14 feet, offset 9 inch, offset 6 feet, offset 9 inch, offset 16 feet, offset 9 inch, trim extra lines, and these are the extra lines, and extend it and trim that. Delete it. Now friends, we make another room, and there is also two rooms, offset 14 feet and offset 9 inch, same lines, offset 9 inch, trim, and offset 16 feet, offset 9 inch, offset 6 feet, offset 9 inch. So here friends, this room also we make it, and these are the two rooms we make it, and now we make another room. This is the also known as bathroom, 7 feet. We extend this line and offset it, and specify its offset 9 feet, offset 9 inch, and offset 9 inch. extend it, trim, and extend this line, trim it, delete it. Now I make a bedroom. Sorry. Now this is the staircase also. 19 feet offset, 19 feet from this point to that point, 19 feet and offset 9 inch. Okay, right. And 7 feet offset, 7 feet right, offset 9 inch, and delete that point. 3 feet 6 inch, offset 3 feet 6 inch, and make this line offset 9 inch, trim the line. So we trim it and make it round, like press F, fillet radius 2 feet and 4 inch, select that, and offset 9 inch, delete it. And now make we another room, offset 16 feet, offset 9 inch, line offset 18 feet, offset 9 inch, and fillet, sorry, Control Z, and we press fillet radius, specify 000, and fillet, and fillet offset 9 inch, trim, nine inch, extend it, offset 9 inch, fillet, trim. Now friends, we also make that, and one another room, offset 14 feet, offset 9 inch, offset, line, trim the extra line, offset 9 inch, offset 6 feet, offset 9 inch, offset 16 feet, offset 16 feet, and offset 9 inch, filleted, delete the extra lines, filleted, and delete dead lines. So friends, we make our this plan, and now we will make the make the now friends, we will make the in rooms, doors, windows, and ventilators. So now we start from that point. So first take an offset 4.5 inch from this corner to inside, and offset 3 feet 6 inch the width of door, and extend it. Trim inside lines, take a circle and trim that. Now delete that, and now take a line in center, offset 3 feet from right side, and offset 3 feet from left side, and trim that line also. Take a line and offset 3 inch. Now delete inside line and also this line. Now make another window, offset 1 feet 6 inch, offset 6 feet, and extend it. Delete inside lines, delete one line inside, and offset 3 inch, and also delete this line, and make a complete line there. So we delete this line. So this is another our window, and so this is another window, and I also make them offset 9 and extend it, delete this line and this line. So this is the column. So I make it, Now I make a bathroom, offset 4.5 inch from this line, offset 2 feet 6 inch the door width, extend it, it inside the lines, trim that, take circle, trim that lines and delete these lines. Now we will make the bath and dress inside this portion and offset 8 feet from this corner to inside, offset 4.5 inch and offset 2 inch, offset 2 feet 6 inch, delete inside the lines and make a circle and make a circle and delete this line. So sorry, I make a long side circle, take a circle from this point to this point, trim that one and treat this circle, also this line. Now friends, we delete this line also, and now we make here a ventilator, offset 1 feet 6 inch from there and there, 3 feet, delete one, take a line, offset 3 inch, delete the extra lines and this is our ventilator also. I also delete these lines and make them and other beautifully. So take that friends, I make that. Now another window here. Now we make a second room, doors and windows. So offset 4.5 inch, offset 3 feet 6 inch, extend it, trim, circle, delete that circle also, and now make a window of this bedroom, offset 3 feet there and also there, offset 9 inch, extend this line, also this line, trim here and mirror it. So friends, this is the window. We make it now friends, we make same and other this type window and this type. So we select, now we select this all and mirror it from. Friends, we take a line and now copy mirror, select this window mi enter, and now friends, we make here the window and this door also, select this door and mirror it from this point to that point, trim inside. So we also draw it. Sorry friends, there is no window in that point, we delete it and extend these lines. So friends, now we select this ventilator, mirror it here, also delete these lines and trim this line. And now friends, I select this door and mirror there. Sorry, I select the all properties mirror and also delete it. Now I select this and mirror here and delete the inside lines and delete this line. So this we make that. This is very simple and easy. Now friends, we make a ventilator and the. So friends, I this is an easy process, simple process. You also learn this way. So I think I copy them and paste them here, the windows and doors. But for your practice, I make again. So friends, offset 8 feet for bathroom and 4.5 inch. Now offset 2 inch, offset 2 feet 6 inch, and trim these lines circle We also make the doors from 4.5 inch from the walls, because when we open the doors, so we think that our door cannot touch the wall. If we cannot provide this space between door and the wall, our door cannot be opened. These are the very main processes. And offset 4 and offset 4.5 inch from there, set to fit 6 inch from that point, extend it, trim it, and circle, trim it. So friends, we make another door, window, and here we make 2 feet 6 inch. So I make a extra line, offset 2 feet 6 inch, and now offset 3 feet, and delete this line. Now friends, extend these lines, trim here, mm, 9 inch, and I did that, so I will make it. Now I want to copy of these lines. I select and mirror it here, delete it, delete it, and now I make this door, trim that. Now I copy this door, so I make it, and now here is a door, 4.5 inch, offset 3.6 inch, extrude, trim, circle, trim here, and mirror that point, and trim this. So I will make a window here. So I select this and delete it, offset 6 feet, extend it, delete inside the, sorry, extend this line, delete this, offset delete, extend it, delete it, mirror it, now make a wall here, window here, set 3 feet, 6 feet, trim here and offset 9 9 inch, 9 inch, extend here, extend here, extend here, and extend here, and now trim. So we make here, and now make a ventilator here, 1 feet 6 inch, trimmed it, and also I might think I copy them and paste them here, and I copy them and paste, I copy them and paste them here and trim. So here we make that, also offset 4.5 inch, set 2 feet 6 inch, extend it, trim, circle, extend this line, trim, trim, and delete this line, and offset 4.5 inch, offset, offset 4.5 inch, set 3 feet 6 inch, extend it, trim downward 9 circle, trim these lines, lead them, and a one line here, offset 3 feet, lines and lead them, copy trim that. And finally this room, I think I copy this room here and rotate it, and I think I move them, and so I select this all the room, delete it, and I will mirror this room, and delete this room, and move this room, that point to that point. So here we go, and sorry, I delete this line also. Move here to that. What's the hell with them? Extend it, delete it. So now move this door here to the point. Here we go. So our plan is ready. So friends, today I make this plan. Now I make the stairs. So make the stair. We also rotate our this plan. Select all the plan and press or rotate. Yes, friends, we rotate it. And now friends, we make a staircase here, offset 4 feet, offset 4 feet, extend it, offset 3, offset 1 inch, sorry, trim that, and offset 3 inch, and circle. Now trim that point, and now we will make here, sorry friends, I div into 3 parts. So I make a line, So let's circle. I make these lines on that circle and extend it to these lines. And delete this line, circle, and offset 11 inch. Also 10 stairs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 stairs. So friends, this is our staircase. So friends, today we make it and save them. Control S. First floor, sorry, ground floor plan. I save them into AutoCAD files. So inshallah we will meet in my next video. Stay connected with us, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.